Hey there, Al Williamson, leadinglandlord.com. I am just staining this butcher block in my short-term rental, and I'm getting ready to move someone in a couple days. He is coming from out of the country, and it's going to be with me for about 4 months. So I was just doing some details before I go to LA for a conference there. But I wanted to get back. I'm supposed to be finishing up my series on the laws of abundance for abundant cash flow, abundant cash flow. And this third law is to use other people's assets. And that should be almost self-explanatory, but if you're using your own assets, they're limited. But if you're using other people's assets, then you do not have any limits on yourself. And that leads to rental arbitrage, why that is such a great tactic. As an owner, especially someone who's been taught to purchase assets and buy assets and own assets, renting assets is so kind of a foreign concept, but it is the difference between someone who's an investor and someone who's a banker or arbitrager. And that's why looking at both sets of tools and putting them on the same level of sophistication or status is really important, because you can go back and forth. So open yourself up to rental arbitrage, which it means that you would rent someone else's property, someone else's rental, at the location of your choosing, the size of your choosing, the number of bedrooms, bathroom of your choosing, and you would furnish it after you negotiate all the subleasing and any restrictions with the owner. You furnish it, you market it on an online platform, or bring your private contacts over, preferably your private contacts over so you're not online. And then you rent it out much more than your costs. And then you keep the difference. That's arbitraging. You can do that an unlimited number of times, and that helps you make an unlimited amount of income, what puts you into abundance. So if you have any questions, hit me below. I'll be happy to answer those. And I'm going to keep working on this series, see if I can see if I can finish up. Okay, take care.